Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore your Blink Sync module after removing and re-adding step by step clearly. Start by ensuring your Blink Sync module is powered on. Unplug the sync module from the power source. Wait for about 10 seconds before plugging it back in. Once plugged in, wait for the module to fully reboot. Open the Blink app on your smartphone. Tap the account icon located in the lower right corner of the screen. Select Sync Module. If the module is not listed, tap Add a Blink device. Choose Sync Module from the list. Follow the on-screen instructions to put the module in setup mode. To do this, press the button located on the top of the Sync module until the light starts flashing blue. Once in setup mode, go back to the Blink app. Select your Wi-Fi network and enter your Wi-Fi password. Tap Connect to link the Sync module to your network. Wait for the app to confirm that the Sync module is connected. You should see the Sync module appear in the device list. If it does not appear, try restarting the app and refreshing the device list. Once connected, you can start adding or re-adding your Blink cameras. Follow the prompts in the app to complete the setup for each camera. Your Blink Sync module should now be successfully restored and ready to use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.